Hey, what's up, Tron holder? This is the latest update of TRX and latest price prediction of TRX and technical analysis of TRX. So let's get started this brand video without any time waste. Kindly before I get started video, I have one request to subscribe to the channel, and yes, also press the bell icon for videos notification. So thank you so much everyone who is subscribing on YouTube channel. My brother, as you can see, after a very long time, you can see first of all the change occur. The last 1 hour update you can see here as plus 1.29%. They moving upward just in only in the last 1 hour, and the last 1 day you can see here plus 1.62%. They moving upward, so the price is increased now. But in the last 7 days you can see here minus 0.05%. They fails down. You know why they fails down? Because especially in the May 28 to May 29, my brother, every crypto market, all currencies is fails down. So therefore I think the main reason is that they fails down, and the price is 0.07 USD dollar at this time in the TRX, my brother. So if we see, my brother, the last 7 day chart, absolutely, my friend, you can see here in the start of this week, you can see they completely fails down. You can see May 28 to May 29, they completely falls down. So absolutely, my brother, the main reason is that they falls down. But after that you can see here, especially in the start of new month, they will starting moving upward very fastly. Because if you can see, my brother, all crypto market is very badly falls down in the start of month. But you can see here TRX, one of the unique coin, to them moving upward. So my prediction tell us, my brother, to upcoming time there is more chances, because in the start of month, if they're moving upward, then in the second week they will completely go in the moon now. So TRX holder, kindly you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope they will move, they will make you a millionaire. So my brother, please, this is my opinion. I just advise you, remember, this is not a financial video, to hold it. I think this is very good time to hold. Please hold it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be double now, the price will increase now, so you need to hold. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.